Venus, Roman goddess of love, beauty, and fertility. Ready? Subscribe to the channel and let's begin. Venus is one of the principal goddesses of the Roman pantheon, representing love, beauty, sexuality, fertility, as well as victory and prosperity. Her cult was strongly influenced by the Greek goddess Aphrodite, yet Venus developed a distinct identity within Roman state religion and culture. According to later Roman myths, Venus was born from sea foam, similar to Aphrodite. She was the wife of Vulcan, god of fire and blacksmithing, but had many lovers, notably Mars, the god of war. Their union produced Cupid, Amor, the god of erotic love. Venus gained special importance as the ancestral mother of the Julian family. Legend holds that her son was Aeneas, the Trojan hero who became an ancestor of the Romans. Julius Caesar therefore declared Venus his divine ancestor and patron. Venus Genetrix. The cult of Venus had numerous temples, notably the Temple of Venus Genetrix in Caesar's Forum in Rome. Festivals in her honor included Veneralia, April 1st, devoted to personal well-being and love. Venus was often depicted as a nude or semi-nude woman holding a mirror, apple, or accompanied by doves, symbols of beauty, temptation, and peace. She became the embodiment of feminine beauty in Roman art. Over time, the image of Venus transcended religion, evolving into an enduring symbol in art, literature, and culture from the Renaissance to the modern era. Subscribe, it's fun with us!